Hello, I'm Rhonda Joy Eagle, body-mind therapist and shamanic sound healer. Today I would like to talk to you about intentional living. Intentional living means that we have the choice and the will to create the life that we most desire for ourselves. It means that we have the opportunity to manifest the best that life has to offer by using simple steps and basic tools. Today, I would like to share 2 tools with you, sound and breath. I invite you to take 3 falling out breaths and to settle into your body and your heart. Just listen with your ears and sensations to the gentle sound and rhythm of the crystal bowl and my voice. Allow it to gently touch your being, all of your senses. Breathe. So remember, sound and breath are resources that are always available to you. I invite you to use them as tools to center and calm yourself. Feel free to visit my website, rhondaeagle.com, and to download my free ebook, Discover Your Soul Song. Many blessings!